Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Cordless 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner, a tool designed with pet owners in mind. With its motorized pet nozzle, bright LED lights, and 48-minute runtime, it's built to make pet hair removal easier while offering flexible, on-the-go cleaning. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive into what this vacuum has to offer and see if it's the right fit for your cleaning routine. The Electrolux Ergorapido is a cordless 2-in-1 vacuum that gives you both the power of a stick vacuum and the convenience of a handheld model, all in one. With a motorized pet nozzle, it's particularly suited for tackling stubborn pet hair, whether it's on upholstery, your couch cushions, or even your car seats. At its core, the Ergorapido is powered by a Turbo Power HD lithium battery that provides up to 48 minutes of runtime on a full charge, which should be plenty for most small to medium-sized spaces. You'll get 2 power modes to adjust the suction, depending on the surface you're cleaning or the intensity of the mess. The nozzle lights up with LEDs, which is a thoughtful touch for illuminating darker spaces. Think under furniture or behind the couch where dust and pet hair tend to gather. Let's talk performance. When it comes to handling pet hair, the motorized pet nozzle does a solid job of lifting hair from upholstery and carpets alike. The brush roll works efficiently, picking up embedded dirt without getting clogged. A huge win for anyone with pets. On hard floors, the Ergorapido performs well too, with its strong suction pulling up debris and fine dust with ease. However, if you've got thick carpets, you might need to use the higher suction mode. Keep in mind, this vacuum is not quite as powerful as full-sized corded models, but for its size and weight, it gets the job done on most floor types. As for its filtration, the vacuum includes an E10 filter, which helps trap allergens, making it a suitable choice for allergy sufferers who also want a reliable way to manage pet dander. One thing that sets the Ergorapido apart is its easy maneuverability. The 180-degree EasySteer system makes it a breeze to navigate around furniture, and the bright LED lights on the nozzle make it easier to see those hard-to-reach areas. The flexibility to switch from a stick vacuum to a handheld is a nice touch, especially for those who need to clean smaller, more confined areas like car interiors, stairs, or your couch cushions. In terms of ease of use, the Ergorapido excels. It's lightweight, which reduces arm fatigue during longer cleaning sessions, and the ergonomic design ensures that even when you're bending over or reaching for hard-to-reach spots, it feels natural. The dustbin is simple to empty, and since there's no bag to deal with, maintenance is a lot less cumbersome. That said, the bin could use a bit more capacity if you have a larger home or multiple pets. Depending on how much hair is around, you might need to empty it a few times during a full clean. Now, onto the noise levels. The Ergorapido is relatively quiet for a vacuum in this class, but it's not whisper quiet. If you're particularly sensitive to noise or need something super quiet for napping babies or pets, you may notice the sound. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. As for the 48-minute runtime, it's on par with many cordless vacuums in this range. If you're just cleaning up pet hair and light debris, that's more than enough to get through most spaces. But if you're using the turbo power mode for heavier cleaning tasks, you may see the battery life drop a bit faster. Thankfully, the LED charge indicator will let you know when it's time to recharge, which is a useful feature to have. When it comes to the pros, the Ergorapido is a solid, versatile vacuum for its size. The 2-in-1 design is perfect for users who want a lightweight stick vacuum and a portable handheld unit without the hassle of a cord. The pet nozzle really delivers on its promise, removing pet hair without fuss, and the LED lights are a game changer when you're cleaning in dimly lit corners. The battery life is sufficient for smaller homes, and it's easy to handle, which makes it perfect for anyone who values ease of use over raw power. On the downside, the 0.5-liter dustbin may not be large enough for larger households, and the suction strength, while great on most surfaces, can struggle a bit with thick carpets or deeper messes. While it's versatile and packs plenty of features for the price, if you have a larger space or heavier cleaning demands, you might find it lacking in raw power compared to higher-end models. The noise level could also be a deal breaker for those who need a quieter vacuum, but that's subjective depending on your sensitivity. Looking at the value for money, the Ergorapido is a well-priced option for those who want something compact and versatile. It's a bit more affordable than high-end full-size models, yet still manages to pack a punch with pet hair removal and ease of use. For pet owners, its ability to lift hair from all kinds of surfaces and handle quick cleanups in the car or around the home makes it a great buy. However, if you're looking for something with longer runtime, larger capacity, or more power for deep cleaning, you might want to consider upgrading to a more powerful cordless model, such as the Dyson V8 or the Shark IZ163H. Those models will give you more suction, but they come at a higher price point. In terms of build quality, the Ergorapido feels solid in hand, but you can tell it's not as heavy-duty as some more expensive models. The plastics feel durable, but you wouldn't call them premium. It's designed to last for regular, everyday cleaning, but long-term durability is something that will become clearer as the vacuum gets more use. As for maintenance, the filters are easy to clean and replace, and the brush roll doesn't get gunked up too easily, so it's straightforward to maintain. When it comes to customer support, Electrolux generally has a solid reputation, though there have been mixed reviews around response times. That said, it's good to know they stand behind their products with a warranty, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. This vacuum is best for people who have smaller spaces or specific pet hair cleaning needs. It's great for light daily cleaning, especially if you have pets. If your primary concern is getting rid of pet hair, this is a vacuum that will deliver. However, for anyone with larger homes or heavy-duty cleaning needs, you might want to explore something with more suction power or a larger dustbin capacity. If you liked this review and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. The link to the Electrolux Ergorapido Pet Cordless 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner is in the comments box below. Go ahead and check it out if you think this could be your next cleaning partner. If you already own this vacuum or have any questions, drop a comment and let's chat. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time. May your floors always be spotless, no matter the mess.